Hi everybody, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Windscribe VPN on Chrome step by step. Guys, if you want to browse securely or unblock sites for free, Windscribe's Chrome extension is a fantastic start. Plus, I'll share why NordVPN's a premium alternative worth checking out. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's get going. First, head over to windscribe.com/signup. It's super easy. Just enter your email and a password to create a free account. Takes less than a minute. Now open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Type Windscribe VPN in the search bar, find the official extension, and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the pop-up and it'll install quickly. Once it's installed, look at the top right of Chrome. Click the puzzle icon, spot Windscribe, and pin it to your toolbar so it's always handy. Click that Windscribe icon, sign in with your new account details, and you're ready to roll. To connect, just hit the big On button. It picks a fast server for you, like one in the US. When the icon turns blue, your browsing's encrypted, keeping your IP hidden. Windscribe's awesome for blocking ads and trackers. Here's a unique tip. Go to the extension settings and turn on Robert to customize blocks, like stopping annoying pop-ups or trackers for a cleaner experience. To turn it off, just click on again. Easy, right? Now guys, Windscribe's solid for free users, but NordVPN is next level. With over 8,000 servers in 126 countries, it's blazing fast for streaming Netflix in 4K or gaming without lag. Its threat protection stops malware and ads, and obfuscated servers dodge tough restrictions. With a no-logs policy audited multiple times, NordVPN keeps you secure across 10 devices, perfect for Chrome and beyond. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.